Here they come. Oh! What was that, Scoob?
Keep it out there, don't bring it so close, it's hard for me to bend down with it.
Oh, look, he broke a piece of the ice right there. Scrubby's not going out there. Come on, Scrub.
The snow isn't broken out there. It feels funny on his paws. Bring it back here. Oh, Scooby's gonna try. Oh, crunch, crunch, crunch. I can't see behind the tree over there. Stay over to the left, right, I mean. The snow is crunchy here. I can't walk on it. It hurts my paws. Scrappy was ready to go. Little tail just going mom minute. They don't want to go over there. The snow's too crunchy. There goes Scoob. Still not close enough for Scrappy though. This thing keeps going back. I think it's hitting something out there, and it's going in and out of focus.
Getting cold.
Okay, bring him over.
What?
Bring him over this way.
Come on, guys. Oh, Scooby, careful. Come on, let's go in the house.